Most traders don't blow up because they have no strategy. They blow up because they can't wait. They rush in. They chase moves. They convince themselves that if they don't act now, they'll miss the opportunity forever. And in that rush, they destroy not only their capital, but their confidence. The hidden cost of impatience isn't just money. It's the erosion of your ability to trust yourself as a trader. Welcome back to Trader's Audio Edge. Today we're talking about one of the most common and most damaging habits in trading: rushing into trades. On the surface, it looks like a small mistake. An early entry, a forced setup, a bit of chasing. But underneath, it's a mindset problem. It's a refusal to wait for alignment, and it's one of the fastest ways to sabotage your edge. Here's the truth. The best trades rarely require you to rush. They give you time to recognize the setup, to align risk properly, and to execute with confidence. When you feel pressure to act instantly, it's usually your emotions, not your edge, driving the decision. And every time you rush, you teach yourself a bad lesson: that your impulses are more important than your process. Over time, that lesson compounds into inconsistency and frustration. The market is always giving opportunities, but impatience tricks you into believing this moment is the only one that matters. You get tunnel vision, thinking this is it, and you act without discipline. But the irony is, by rushing, you often enter at the worst possible time. You get filled right before a pullback, or you chase into exhaustion, and suddenly you're underwater. The setup wasn't wrong. Your timing was. And bad timing is usually just another name for impatience. Rushing also has a deeper cost. It erodes your emotional capital. Every time you jump in too soon, you add unnecessary stress. You sit through drawdowns that could have been avoided. You burn mental energy managing trades that shouldn't have been taken, and you end the day feeling drained. Over time, this fatigue eats away at your confidence, and you start doubting not just the trade, but yourself. Patience, on the other hand, gives you clarity. It gives you clean entries with defined risk. It allows you to step into trades calmly instead of frantically. And when you enter with patience, you're not just protecting your account. You're protecting your mindset. You're reinforcing the habit of waiting for alignment, of letting the market come to you instead of chasing after it. That habit compounds into resilience. So here's your reminder. Every rushed trade comes with two costs: financial and emotional. The money you lose is obvious. The confidence you lose is hidden, but even more damaging. Don't pay that price. Train yourself to wait. Because the market will always offer another opportunity, but your patience determines whether you'll still be around to take it.